What is up, everybody, and welcome to another vlog. We are on the way to Cars and Coffee, except for this time we're in the Jeep. This is the first time I've ever taken the Jeep to any car, meet, or anything. I'm sure everybody's gonna laugh.
Dude,
first views on a four-rotor, how was it?
Dude, that was insane, man. I've never seen that ever before.
There's nothing else
so
like
sick.
it on the planet.
That made my day, bro.
I love the Recaro baby seat. It's sick. If I have a baby, I'm getting a Recaro baby seat.
Oh, no doubt.
And here we have a wild chance approaching his dream car. He wants to buy it so bad, but he can't. He must move out of his parents' house and not afford this car. Even though he'd be spanking my ass right now if he bought this car. His grocery gets a 4-door Mercedes-Benz V8 compressor. He will not buy it. The vlog inside the vlog?
The vlog is back.
Hey bro, did you know that wind slows you down? I missed it. I was about to say, look at this kid. This kid's laying down on the ground.
Where do you think you're at, Caffeine and Exotics?
Yeah.
I about tripped over a kid there.
Oh, there's so many people there.
Dog, what are you doing on the ground?
Everyone's crouched at the RX7, waiting and waiting to turn the key. It's gonna go.
Like 20, 30 people.
We're all just waiting.
Just waiting.
The waiting game. No other car is being acknowledged. Let's go.
That's an interesting sound. Hell yeah. That's quiet.
Here's the four-rotor's little brother. Nowhere near the insane sound that the other one made, but this car's pretty fast.
Well guys, Cars and Coffee was freaking awesome today. Me and Chance were talking about the 4-rotor. Wow, no blinker, wow. Me and Chance were talking about the 4-rotor all morning this morning. We watched his video and then all of a sudden we pull up to Cars and Coffee and he's there. It's just pretty crazy. That car is insane. I had no idea it was that badass. Chance is gonna do it for Dale. Let them bald eagles fly. All right, brother, hit it. It's nice, man. It's nice.